If I selected as an IAS officer in my area, in my remote area, there are so many marginalized communities in both Hindus and as well as we know that the Muslims are also a minority, and in my area we can see that so many minorities in Hindu tribes such as Kauryas and some tribes named as Ustra, and so many communities are there in took place in my area. And if I would be selected as a IAS officer in my area, I will make the first decision to empower them and to upliftment of them, to make them in the broad activities and governance, and to uplift their ideas and give them the ideas of being popular rather than the nepotic kids, because in all our country and in all over the area, the nepotism is working very largely. And but if I became elected as an IAS officer in my area, I would suggest to upliftment and the embracement of these communities.
So can you give an yes or no answer for this this question? So what do you think is the most? You mentioned that there are a lot of problems in rural areas. So who is mostly responsible? Is it bureaucracy or is it government? You can just mention the name.
Governance, sir.
Mr. Sahel, you're from Calicut, Perembra. Okay, my question is, what about the cosmopolitan aspect of Calicut city?
I'm sorry to say, sir. I'm sorry to say this. I can't guess the word cosmopolitanism. I have not heard.
Okay, no problem. Your favorite player? You mentioned in your CV that you are a good football player. Who is your most influenced player?
Absolutely, Lionel Messi, sir, because he is one of the terrific and one of the underrated player in the football era. He won 7 Ballon d'Ors and 5 Golden Boots and so many. He also won a World Cup last year.
Okay, Mr. Sahab. My question is that you mentioned about an organization skill. From Malabar Lake region, it is a social problem that the local people are mostly influenced by these like skills or football like activities, and how this like influence acts as an hindrance to social mobility.
In Malabar area, we can see that there are all fans of football and kind of football such games, and with these kind of aspiration and fan base, we can improve their aspiration to be get developing such a mood, and we can track them in such a way, and so.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sir.
Thank you.